Everybody needs fresh food. That's why we deliver it to your door. Just shop from any of your favorite stores, and we'll do the rest. Browse every product you can imagine. Even that organic, antioxidant, gluten-free, fair trade honey from the farm over the hill. Yeah, that too. Your order is hand-picked by a professional human, unlike the other guys. Enjoy exclusive deals only on Instacart and get your groceries delivered today or whenever you want it. Saving time for the things that matter. Download the app and get your groceries delivered today.